Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk to you about vegetables that can help cleanse the liver. Eating vegetables is beneficial for both the liver and overall health. They contain enzymes and antioxidants, which help to cleanse the liver and remove toxins and fats. Additionally, they can improve the filtering capability of the kidneys, prevent cancer due to their anti-cancer properties, and provide energy to the body. Let's take a look at some of the vegetables that are great for detoxifying the liver. 1. Artichokes. The artichoke has cleansing properties that make it beneficial for producing bile and eliminating toxins from the body. It also contains cynarin, which is an important component for cleaning the liver and removing any harmful substances that might disrupt its functioning. 2. Carrots. Carrots are among the top vegetables for detoxifying the liver due to their high amounts of flavonoids and beta-carotene. Additionally, their high water content gives them diuretic properties that help to prevent kidney stones and liver issues such as cirrhosis. 3. Broccoli and cauliflower. Cruciferous vegetables are a must for cleansing the liver and maintaining its optimal health. All of these veggies are beneficial for this vital organ, yet broccoli and cauliflower specifically have a capacity to amplify the production of enzymes in the liver and assist in the elimination of carcinogens and other toxins. It's also noteworthy that these vegetables have cancer-fighting properties that can minimize the risk of getting cancer. 4. Beetroot. Beets, similar to carrots, possess diuretic and antioxidant properties which help to support the liver's functions and cleanse the liver. This helps to flush out heavy metals and also purify and filter the blood. 5. Spinach. It is essential to include green leafy vegetables in our list of beneficial vegetables for cleansing the liver due to their antioxidant properties. Spinach is especially beneficial, as it contains a high fiber content that helps regulate the digestive tract, as well as folic acid, which supports the health of the liver and kidneys. Additionally, consuming dandelion leaves, arugula, and chicory is recommended as these vegetables are composed of chlorophyll, which helps to absorb toxins and rid them from the body. How to take vegetables to cleanse the liver. Consuming vegetables raw is the most optimal way to cleanse the liver, as it allows us to take advantage of all their nutrients. Preparing them by cooking destroys enzymes that are essential for liver cleansing, so if you must eat cooked vegetables, steaming them is the best option. So there you have it, some of the best vegetables for cleansing the liver. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet can help support a healthy liver and overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful.